The DJI Air 3S has been fully exposed. We've got all the official images from all the angles, the prices, and the final release date. Let's get into it. Let's take a closer look at the drone. We now have a clearer look at its design. It looks essentially the same as before. The main change is up front, with a new sensor hidden behind the black glossy plastic. It will most likely be a tough proximity sensor, but there are also guesses of it being LiDAR. This would allow very precise obstacle avoidance compared to the optical system, and so a far better active tracking even at higher speeds. The camera will be upgraded. The main sensor will finally be a 1-inch, like the Air 2S was, and this combined with the image processing from the Air 3 will ensure amazing low-light performance. Unfortunately, there aren't any leaks about the specs of the tele-lens, which will probably be the same as before. If you're interested in real-time updates about all the leaks, subscribe to not miss my community posts and videos. Getting back to the drone, these will be the major upgrades that it will feature. However, longer flight time and O4+ transmission compatibility are also expectable. Let's now get to the interesting part, the prices and release date. The standard combo with RCN3 will be priced at around €950. The Fly More combo, with RCN3 at €111.99, the Fly More combo with RC2 at €13.59. The prices are slightly lower compared to the Air 3. Let's get to the release date. It will be on October 15th. This information comes from this leaker, who was the first to report the Action 5 Pro's release date. However, you might have seen some leaked teasers about the Air 3S. In my opinion, they are all fake. Just look at the shape of the camera, it's completely different. In addition to that, it looks the same as the Air 3 teaser from last year. Subscribe to be updated with the new leaks, and drop a like down below if it was helpful.